What's up, my crypto people? How are you doing? Today, let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. Should you still invest in it or not? But first, let's see what the news is saying about Bitcoin. So, Crypto Czar backs the BTC Reserve and the Security Exchange Commission. And Task Force Drawdown, why is crypto going down? So Trump's Crypto Czar comments have shaken the idea of the US Bitcoin Reserve, but the new Security Exchange Commission task force gives hope. So why is it going down? If you can stomach volatility, this is not the best time to hold a large amount of Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum or any other altcoin. So no financial advice, but never sell your Bitcoin. The crypto market is nothing short of turbulent. While this volatility helps purge the market of speculators, there have been major drawdowns, particularly for those who bought in around the 100k mark. Much of the current market swings can be attributed to the comments of David Sachs, the new crypto chief in the United States. His press conference on the February 4th undoubtedly shook investors' confidence, especially since much was expected regarding forming a Bitcoin reserve. So this is the main reason why Bitcoin is down, because investors have lost a little bit of confidence based on the speech of David Sachs. But I would say don't fall for this. Don't panic. I think Bitcoin will be going up again. If we look at the history of Bitcoin, the happenings that we have, history doesn't predict the future, but it sure does rhyme. So probably Bitcoin will be going higher again this year. So I would say don't sell your bags yet. If we look at the crypto bubbles, it's the same here. Based on Bitcoin down, most of the altcoins are also down. Most of the altcoins are in the red. Big gainer here, heck, 23%, but all the rest of the markets is down. So let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. So Terra Luna Classic burn hits 400 billion as Binance burns over 700 million LUNC. So Terra Luna Classic burn campaigns hits the 400 billion milestone, and Binance burns more than 736 million Terra Luna Classic tokens. And LUNC and USD prices fell amid broader crypto market crash. So we all know when Bitcoin crashes, the altcoins crash even harder. And LUNC is really beaten down at this moment. If we look at the LUNC burn tracker, we can see that 402 billion has been burned indeed. So if we also go to the total Luna Classic burn chart, we can see that last year we have steadily been burning Terra Luna Classic, and then in the end of October we made the jump up, and then now we're still going sideways. So at this moment total of 402 billion burned, but that's not quite a lot if you look at the total supply of Terra Luna Classic at this moment. So if we also go to the Galaxy Station, where we can see the voting proposals, it seems like nothing is happening. It seems like almost dead here. If we look, for example, at past proposals, we can see that we had a lot of past proposals, several pages of proposals that have been passed. But if we go back to the current voting proposals, nothing is happening. So it almost seems like the chain is dead. If we look at coin market cap based on the yearly time frame, we can also see that last year around February we had a big spike all the way up here to, let's say, 2026, and then we went down. We added a zero and went up again, and I bought not exactly at this time, but I bought around 3 zeros 11.74, or let's say rounded down 3 zeros 12. And when it went all the way up here and it started to going down back again, I decided that I would sell all of my Terra Luna Classic, because I think there are better coins to invest in at this moment, for example SUI or XRP. So I jumped the gun and I decided I wanted to make my portfolio, make it more focused on coins from which I think there are better investments, and I decided to sell my Terra Luna Classic. So let me know down in the comments what you did, if you're still holding your Terra Luna Classic, or did you also sold your Terra Luna Classic, and in which type of coins did you put that investment. Let me know down in the comments. And if we go to TradingView, we can also see on the hourly time frame that for the most Terra Luna Classic is going sideways. So looking down here at market cipher, we can see the money flow going down and then up again, so not much spectacular happening. And if we look at the daily time frame, there we can see that the red ribbons are widening here. Also on market cipher we can see the money flow going down, so there's much more pain ahead for the coming days for Terra Luna Classic. So what I would say, be cautious if you're going to invest something in Terra Luna Classic, because there's more pain ahead, I think, based on these metrics. And if we look at the Terra Luna Classic price forecast based on a weekly time frame, we can also see this line here, that there's a downward sloping trend. So I would expect Terra Luna Classic to make a curve here and then curve go around up again. And I don't know what it will be doing here, if it bounces back on this resistance going down again, or if Bitcoin turns going up, that will also be going up. So I would say if I see Terra Luna Classic maybe break this trend line, then I would say it would be time again that I would be investing in Terra Luna Classic again. But for now I think other coins are a better bet. So I sold everything and invested into SUI and XRP, because I think those are better bets at this moment compared to LUNC. So hit me up in the comments and tell me what you think about this. If you enjoyed the video and got some valuable information about Terra Luna Classic, let me also know. Smash the like button, subscribe, and as always guys, I'm out.